What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change incoming call ringtone sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, click on ringtone, and from here you can change your incoming call ringtone sound. So you can select any sound from this list. So this is the list of ringtones. So just simply tap on a ringtone name to select. And with this slider you can increase or decrease the ringtone volume. So that's how you can change the incoming call ringtone sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.